Welcome, my name is Freddie McMahon and I am co-founder of Df2020, an early stage technology firm. This is our fourth micro presentation and will be followed by many others. This presentation is about the principles for building chatbots using our product Chatbot Author. As covered in an earlier presentation, the largest concentration of documented instructional knowledge is in the form of procedures. There are billions of these documents. Take one single procedural document and you have bounded knowledge. It's bounded because it has a physical first page and a last page. Likewise, each chatbot is bounded knowledge. No procedural document is an island. Typically, a procedural document refers to other procedural documents. Similarly, within a chatbot, it can link to one or more other chatbots. A procedural document contains choices, pathways and outcomes. In other words, the more choices, the more pathways and outcomes. These choices are the backbone of a decision tree algorithm. Similarly, a chatbot has choices, pathways and outcomes. As covered before, other procedural documents have weak algorithms because they are not easy to write. The exceptions are those that already have used flowcharts or decision trees to create the algorithm. Chatbot Author is designed to help the author with producing strong algorithmic logic. This is achieved through a combination of techniques. First, the symbols must be all joined up by connecting the dots. The test or publishing of a chatbot is prevented when there is unconnected dots. Secondly, there is a 300 character limitation for each script within the symbol's properties. This forces a procedure to be deconstructed into small steps. Thirdly, there is a limit to the ways of linking from one pathway to another. This is done through a go-to symbol. There are even restrictions to the number of times you can use a go-to symbol. The reason is to prevent the logic becoming too fragmented. Fourthly, a pathway must end with an outcome, a link or a go-to symbol, otherwise an unconnected dot remains. And lastly, there is a restriction on the number of times symbols can be used. This ensures the map remains manageable to maintain and improve. The size restriction of a knowledge map within a chatbot encourages reuse. It has been well proven that reusability reduces defects. At the same time, reuse provides more flexibility and access options. For example, you can access a chatbot directly or via another chatbot. The ability to link chatbots means you can develop a portfolio of knowledge assets. Now let's go back to the procedure document. First, you need to deconstruct and reconstruct the document into different domains of knowledge. Each domain of knowledge becomes a chatbot. In other words, a chatbot is like a subject matter expert. The embedded map is the knowledge. Once a chatbot map has been created with all the dots joined, then start testing. Each dialogue step needs to be easy to understand. If it's not, simply change the script and retest again. Ideally, each step, the dialogue can be read, understood and moved on in less than 8 seconds. This is our universal benchmark, which we will cover in more detail in another video. The restriction of limiting a script of a step to 300 characters is aligned with this 8-second benchmark. Chatbot Author is designed to help authors think more clearly. In this way, it is similar to earlier tools such as Edward de Bono's 6 Thinking Hats and Tony Buzan's mind mapping. That's all for now. As you can imagine, there are a lot of diverse subjects that need to be addressed. The next micro presentation explains some of the deep decision risks hidden within procedural documents and how these risks can be materially reduced. If you'd like to know more about Chatbot Author, please go to chatbotauthor.ai, and if you want to know more about the chatbot market, please go to chatbotinsider.ai. Bye for now.